Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on and off the pop-up blocker in Safari. Let's get started. First, open Safari. If I go to a website, for example, apple.com, I won't get any pop-ups because they are currently blocked. To disable the pop-up blocker, click on Safari in the top left corner and then click on Preferences. Then, from the tabs above, go to Websites. Scroll down and select Pop-up Windows. Here you can see the currently open websites, such as apple.com, and it is set to block and notify. If you click on it and then select allow, you will now enable all pop-ups from apple.com. You can also allow pop-ups from every other website by clicking on when visiting other websites, then selecting allow. Now, pop-ups won't be blocked on any website, but if you want to enable pop-ups on some websites and disable them on others, you can manage that here. Just like I've done it for apple.com and facebook.com, you can customize the settings for each website individually. That is how you disable pop-up blockers in Safari. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up for more content like this. Thanks for watching.